Welcome back to the Daily Fix with Digifix. Today, we are diving into a tool that's transforming the way businesses connect with their customers. WhatsApp for businesses. Whether you're running a small business or growing an enterprise, this app can help you streamline communication, improve customer service, and boost your marketing efforts. So what exactly is WhatsApp for Business? It's a version of WhatsApp designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It allows you to manage customer interactions, offer support, and promote your products or services, all within a platform that millions of people already use daily. Let's talk about some of the key features. First, you can create a business profile with your company's details, like your name, address, description, website, so forth and so on. Customers know they are dealing with a legitimate business. Then there are automated messages, greetings, away messages, and quick replies that helps you stay responsive even when you are not online. Organizing your conversations is also a breeze with labels. You can sort chats into categories like new customers or pending payment, which makes managing multiple conversations much easier. And how about showcasing your products? With catalogs and collections, you can create a digital storefront right inside the app so customers can browse the shop without ever leaving WhatsApp. Now, why should you consider using WhatsApp for businesses? Well, for starters, it's a direct line of communication. Your customers are already on WhatsApp, so you're meeting them where they are most comfortable. It's also enhancing your customer services. Quick replies and automated messages make it easier to provide timely responses, which leads to happier customers. And it is cost effective. It's free to use, making it a fantastic tool for marketing. To get the most out of WhatsApp for business, here are a few tips. Personalize your messages to make your customers feel valued. Stay responsive. Even a quick acknowledgement can make a difference. Use WhatsApp to share your status, to share your updates or promotions, just like Instagram stories. And finally, measure your success. Look at how customers are engaging with your messages and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, WhatsApp for Business is more than just a messaging app. It's a powerful tool that can help you grow your business, improve your customer relationships, and enhance your marketing efforts. If you're not already using it, now is the time to start. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we are in this journey to grow together. See you next time.